I'm going to install this front oil seal. Here's the old one. It was, like I said, it was just sitting there on the front of the crank. I got the new one in. The new one's a little bit different. There is no metal band supporting the inner seal, where the new one has a metal band on the inside of the seal. Also, the outside where it fits into the case is different. The rubber seal where it fits into the front case there is a little bit different. So I'm going to install it, and what I'm going to do is I've got some assembly lube. I'll put some assembly lube there and on the inside of the seal here. And then I've also got some Permatex Ultra Gray. I'm just going to put a very thin coat on the outside. And then I've got a tool that I made out of some hard nylon. I'm going to slide the new seal on, and then I made this installation tool specifically just for this job. So it seats squarely and right in the middle of the seal there, so I won't deform it as I tap it into the front cover there. So I'm going to put a little bit of Permatex on it, just a little bit, and it looks like it's a little old, so I'll get a little bit of the fresh stuff out. Very light seal coating of Permatex. This is Ultra Gray. There may be some Audi purists that are cringing at the moment, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. The engine, 200,000 miles. Yeah, it's 198,000, so it's not quite 200,000. Before the gasket, before I got the car anyway. A little assembly seal on there. Assembly lube, I mean. Put it on a little bit on the inside here. This Lucas assembly lube I've used before. I really like it. It's very clingy, very sticky. I've built a couple engines with this stuff. Really like it. Okay. So, get a hammer here, or a mallet. Let's see how this works. This is pretty firm. Definitely got to give it a good whack. There we go. Straight and true. I don't think it's coming out in my lifetime. Alright. So there we go. Seal's in.